This is a story about cars and the people who love them. Welcome to Washington County, where the roads tell stories of automotive history, racing, and unforgettable scenic drives. Founded in 1948, Slinger Super Speedway is home to the world's fastest quarter-mile oval track. Here, the love of racing has been passed from generation to generation as drivers of all ages and experience levels push the limits of speed and skill.
I'm Tyler Schley. I got my grandpa, Thomas Schley, and then my father, Thomas Schley Jr., and he's the first generation, and he started racing in '67, and I picked up when I was about 13 years old.
Yeah, it was a dirt track. My first car, it was a modified stock car. It was homemade. It was all put together from all kinds of different stuff. In them days, you didn't buy the car parts, you made them.
The car that I'm driving now, it's a 2016 Pathfinder, which is a full tube chassis. Everything's fabricated, nothing's coming from a junkyard or a car that was driven previously.
The driver's only as good as his equipment. I like the competition of beating the other guy.
The competition's next to none, different than any other track around here. You'll get up to 100 miles an hour for sure on a quarter-mile track.
It's exciting for the fans, it's fun for the drivers, the speed is there, and it's just, there's nothing like it on the short track level. The banking leads to good racing.
Slinger Speedway has a reputation as a premier destination for adrenaline-fueled racing. The competition may be fierce, but community is paramount.
You got what we would call a racing community. I mean, we're friends with the other racers. If one of our fellow racers needs something, we'll help them out. Everybody is loyal to everybody else in the racing community.
I used to come here when I was a kid. I started racing just a little under 20 years ago here at Slinger. Got to race with some of my racing heroes when I was younger, and then as the kids were growing up, they've been coming to track the whole time. And as they got a little older and they started driving and racing, and my wife and daughters work in the stands and help with the concessions and things here at the track. So it's been like a family event here for many years for us.
Champions may be born on the track, but their legacy is honored right down the road at the Short Track Hall of Fame at the Wisconsin Automotive Museum in Hartford.
Short track racing after World War II just exploded in this area, and there's a lot of nationally known drivers who have a connection here.
The museum is also a testament to Wisconsin's automotive manufacturing history. The Kissel Motor Car Company, once based in Hartford, produced iconic vehicles that captured the essence of American craftsmanship.
My grandfather was one of the co-founders of the Kissel Car Company.
I love the color on this one.
We call it the pumpkin for obvious reasons.
Yeah. It's always nice when your own name's on the car.
Yeah, absolutely. You can find it in the parking lot.
Yes, you can.
There are 122 cars on the 2 floors, over an acre of exhibit space.
Every car here tells a story of innovation, and the enduring bond between man and machine.
This is the oldest Nash that we have in the museum, and the owner of the car started the Nash Car Club of America as a teenager, and 2 of the wheels are from 1918. But this 1950 Nash only has 61 miles on it.
That's it?
That's it. The woman who purchased this car planned to learn how to drive and then didn't. That explains the first 35 years of the car's life. But, well, with cars, I think a lot of times the vehicle almost becomes part of the family. It's not only a major investment, but people remember, oh, when we took that trip to the Black Hills, that's the car we had. Or when they went to prom, that's what they drove. So it's connecting them to a point in their past, it's connecting them to a memory.
At Wheels on Main in West Bend, collectors and spectators celebrate the nostalgia and beauty of automobiles. From classic cars to custom bikes, this event brings enthusiasts of every stripe together for a day of music, food, and family fun. So whether you're a racing aficionado, a history buff, or simply a lover of the open road, Washington County invites you to embark on a journey unlike any other. The scenic drives through Kettle Moraine country boast some of the most breathtaking landscapes, perfect for a leisurely cruise. Come experience the thrill, the history, and the sheer joy of life on wheels. It's a ride you won't forget.